If you want to reconnect with someone you previously blocked on Facebook, you can easily unblock them through your account settings. Open the Facebook app. Once you are inside the app, look for the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines. On some devices, it may appear in the top right corner, while on others, it may be at the bottom or top left, depending on the version. Next, scroll down the menu and tap on Settings and Privacy. A drop-down will appear, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage privacy, security, and other account options. Now scroll down until you find the section called Audience and Visibility. Under this section, tap on Blocking. This area contains all the people you have blocked on Facebook. After opening the blocking list, you will see the names of all blocked accounts. Find the person you want to unblock. Tap the Unblock button next to their name. A confirmation message will appear explaining that the person will be able to see your profile or contact you again. Finally, tap Unblock again to confirm your decision. Once confirmed, the person is immediately unblocked, and you can search for them, send friend requests, or interact again normally. That's it, you have successfully unblocked someone on Facebook in just a few simple steps.